Heyo duckies, Andilippi here. Exeldro is at it again, just popping out updates left, right and centre. Let's get down to business. Crack the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Put your rocket for the stone. First up, Exeldro has added a handy way to check which version of a plugin you are currently using. Just open the relevant source or filter, then at the bottom of the menu, it will say exactly which version you are on. This is handy to check if you need to update. Or you could just run our plugin installer from streamup.tips. These updates apply to the following OBS plugins: freeze filter, time warp scan, gradient source, recursion effects, source switcher, and also dynamic delay. This pretty much means all of Exeldro's plugins are now all up to date. I have added a link in the description to see all Exeldro's plugins. This update also means all of these plugins are now available for Mac ARM machines. So now any Mac machines running Apple Silicon from the M1 chip onwards will be able to utilize more of Exeldro's goodness. Something really important to note about these updates is that you will need to be using OBS 28 and above, so if you haven't upgraded, now might be the time to try. Remember, just back up just in case, and you can always downgrade OBS if it isn't working for you. If these new plugin updates aren't working for your setup, you can always download older versions of the plugins by going to the relevant plugin page, pressing history, then you can download any of the previous versions. If you want to see the patch notes of each version change, press the updates tab and scroll through the entries. Hope this helps you guys out. If it has, throw a thumbs up and get subscribed so you don't miss any streaming tips. For more info on plugins, click here, and for more Exeldro madness, click here. See you over there. Put your rocket for the stone.